Hello, dear students. Good morning. Good morning to you all. I know you are studying well at home for the quiz exams and you are doing well in your exams. Side by side, you should maintain health rules, and I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome you all to online class. I am Richard Gomez. Today I'll take English second paper class of class 5 noun chapter. This is second part. I have already taken one class on noun. What is noun? Classifications of noun, proper noun, common noun and also abstract noun. Now today I'll start with collective noun and material nouns, and after that I will show another two types of nouns, countable and uncountable noun. So noun, if we define it, noun is the name of anything. We have discussed a lot about these things in the earlier class, and mainly there are two types of nouns, concrete and abstract. And concrete noun is of four kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material nouns. So common noun and proper noun we have discussed. So today we like to start with number 3, collective noun. What is collective noun? A noun that stands for a number of persons or things of the same kind. A number of persons or things, that is a group. For example, flock, class, team, mob, party. So these are all collective nouns. Next, material noun. What is material noun? A material noun is the name of the substance that can be measured but cannot be counted. That is, this is a substance which cannot be counted but be measured. For example, rice, jute, gold, clay, milk. We cannot count all these things. This should be measured always. Now some examples of collective and material nouns for your better understanding. Number 1, both the teams played well. Here teams is collective noun. Cattle like to graze in the green field. Cattle, collective noun. The green field, common noun. A 5-member committee was formed. Committee, collective noun. A library is a storehouse of knowledge. Library, collective noun. Storehouse, common noun. Knowledge, abstract noun. The audience clapped from time to time. The audience, collective noun. Number 6, the angry mob came down to the street. Mob, collective noun. The street, common noun. An army was sent to disperse, scatter the crowd. An army, collective noun. Crowd, collective noun. We should drink boiled water. Water, material noun. And if I say boiled water, then boiled water is also material noun. This is compound material noun. Tea removes our tiredness. Tea, material noun. Tiredness, abstract noun. Cotton is white. Cotton, material noun. Number 11, milk is an ideal food. Milk, material noun. Food, common noun. Oil is used in cooking. Oil, material noun. Cooking, abstract noun. Iron is a useful metal. Iron, material noun. Metal, common noun. Bangladesh is the real abode for jute. Bangladesh, proper noun. Abode, common noun, and jute is material noun. Now 15, our school has a rich library. Our school, common noun. Library, collective noun. Number 16, the audience clapped from time to time. The audience, collective noun. The man has a bunch of keys. The man, common noun. Bunch, collective noun, and keys, common noun. Oil floats on water. Oil is material noun. Water also is material noun. We cannot count it, we should measure it. Gold is precious. Gold also is material noun. Last one here, number 20. Rice is our staple food. Rice, material noun. Food, common noun. So from this I think you can get the idea about material noun and collective noun. Now I am going to another two types of nouns. Here noun is also divided into two kinds according to their countability, whether we can count it or not. That is countable noun, and second one is uncountable noun. So what is countable noun? The noun which can be counted is called countable noun, that is which we can count. That is proper noun, common noun and collective noun are countable nouns. There are 5 types of nouns, generally: proper, common, collective, material and abstract. Though we can divide firstly concrete and abstract. Concrete is of 4 types: proper, common, collective and material, and there is also abstract noun. You can say in another way there are 5 types of nouns. So first 3 types, proper noun, common noun and collective nouns, are always countable noun. That is Kobir, Dhaka, tree, river, group, fleet. An uncountable noun, the noun which can't be counted, is called uncountable noun. That is material noun and abstract noun are uncountable noun. But this may change sometimes according to different ways, because if there are some measured word before an uncountable noun, it can be countable. Okay, this way. So fit, for example, fit, oil, earth, policy, divine, sincerity. These are all uncountable noun. These are material and abstract nouns, so uncountable noun. Now I like to give some examples of countable and uncountable nouns. Some examples of countables and uncountable nouns. Number 1, trees prevent soil erosion. Trees countable, soil uncountable. We grow paddy, paddy uncountable. But if we say he bought 2 mons of paddy, this is 2 mons, this is a measured word. So here paddy, 2 mons of paddy is countable. This is countable noun. Number 4, we eat rice, rice uncountable noun. But if it is said the beggars ate 2 plates of rice, the beggars countable, 2 plates of rice is also countable, because there 2 plates, the measured words are here. Number 6, today's weather is fine, weather uncountable noun. He is fond of meat, meat uncountable noun. He bought 2 kgs of meat, 2 kgs of meat countable noun. The baby likes sugar, the baby countable, sugar uncountable noun. Tea grows in plenty in Sylhet, tea uncountable noun, and Sylhet countable noun. Number 11, he gave me some money. Here money is uncountable noun. Number 12, I gave him some good advice. Some good advice, this is countable noun. Advice generally uncountable, but some good advice, this is countable noun. Number 13, the hall was crowded with people. The hall countable noun, people uncountable noun. We need proper education. Education uncountable noun. Ill news runs fast. News uncountable noun. Number 16, he possesses good health. Health uncountable noun. Our teacher gives us homework once a week. Our teacher countable noun, homework uncountable noun, and week countable noun. Ours is a beautiful country. Country countable noun. He is a man of vast knowledge. Man countable noun, knowledge uncountable noun. Mr. Rahman was a man of wisdom. Mr. Rahman countable noun, man countable noun, wisdom uncountable noun. So from this discussion I think you understand about noun. Today we also discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. Sometimes uncountable nouns, if it is referred by any measured word, this also become countable nouns. So this way we can differentiate between countable and uncountables, and we have learnt 5 types, especially proper noun, common noun, cultivated noun, material nouns and abstract nouns. So this is all for today. Until next class, goodbye. Stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.